Hi everyone! Today, we're creating a beautiful and vibrant yellow and green paper cutting design that's perfect for adding a touch of color to your home decor or any craft project. Let's begin by selecting our yellow and green paper. The bright yellow symbolizes energy and joy, while the green brings a calming, nature-inspired feel. Together, they create a perfect balance. Start by folding the yellow paper in half. And with a pencil, lightly sketch your design. I'm going for a floral pattern to reflect the lively colors. Now, carefully cut along the lines with precision scissors. You'll notice how the yellow paper stands out beautifully when cut into intricate shapes. Next, take your green paper and repeat the process. But this time, let's go for some leaves or a geometric pattern. Green works perfectly for nature-inspired designs, so feel free to get creative. Once both papers are cut, you can layer them together. The contrast between the yellow and green really makes the design pop. You can glue the layers together or use them separately, depending on the effect you want to achieve. And there you have it, a bright and cheerful yellow and green paper cutting design that's sure to bring a burst of color to any project.